Good morning, class. This is our presentation. Our presentation is about clay animation. What was our goal? Our goal for this project was to learn new things about the topic and how to use clay in funny ways.
Description: clay animation or claymation, sometimes plasticine animation, is one of many forms of stop-motion animation. Each animated piece, either characters or background, is deformable, made of a malleable substance, usually plasticine clay.
This is some of the pictures of the characters that we made. They weren't really funny, but you will try. Like you can see the dog, the pineapple, the penguin, and the other one, and the ladybug.
In the previous picture, you can see that we create different animated characters with clay.
Fun aspects. Some of the fun aspects that we had was trying to make the clay softer, because when we started to make the characters, the clay was really hard, and we was not gonna be able to do it if the clay was really hard.
Challenges. Some of our challenges were having difficulty making our characters because the clay was a little bit hard. We didn't know what kind of thing we should do till now. Also, we had difficulty trying to take out the clay from our hands.
Concepts learning. Well, what we learned from the was to create animated characters and about how people use the clay to animate. That was it. That's the end. I hope you enjoy our presentation.
Thank you.